4 years ago. I think, no, 4 years ago. And it was really a struggle for me because I'm a pastry chef. That's so hard. Plus my schedule was so erratic because I also had a show and stuff like that. So I didn't have so much time to cook the meals on my own. 4 years ago, we weren't offering this yet. So I think this is an advantage for, I mean, you clients, at least you're very lucky that this is an option for you. And at the same time, the ones who want to go back, we also accommodate, you can use your own prescription. So just to give you a background on what we do every day, we supply meals 7 days a week of 3 meals in a day. Okay, so having, after what Reg said that everything is specified, everybody has their own prescriptions. So we really take time and we're very meticulous with following your prescriptions. At least it's a guaranteed, how do you say it? It's a guaranteed deal for you to help you lose your weight. Because there are some kitchens who offer Cohen meals also, but since they're not certified, they're not as strict as we are in the kitchen. Because I know how it feels to cheat, diba? Of course, I have to admit sometimes I cheat, diba? Especially if I don't have time to cook. And cheating will make you, it will lengthen your program by a week, I think. So, as much as possible, the more you stick to your program, the easier it will be for you to lose weight. So, having said that, we're here to help you because we know, we understand that, I mean, the clients have different occupations. Some are doctors, some are artistas, and you know, I'm sure they don't have time to cook, but that's not an excuse for you to not stick to your program. Kasi sayang, since anyway you enrolled already, and so we want to make your life easier and more accurate. Going back to what I said earlier, there are some kitchens who also provide the service, but since they haven't really gone through the program themselves, they don't know how important it is to be accurate in the measurements. Like, there are some chefs that I hired before who haven't gone through the program. So I know, kasi the people in the program will understand that we weigh your ingredients raw. So meaning down to the last garlic, nakatimbang yon. So if you haven't gone through the program, or if somebody's preparing your food who hasn't gone through the program, it's so easy for them to just put 2 more grams of garlic, and that will affect your metabolism altogether, just like that. See, so, yeah, so the other kitchens who haven't gone through the program, the ones who provide the meals, sometimes they also accommodate clients who haven't enrolled in Cohen, and they use other people's prescriptions. And that, I mean, yes, you lose weight, but eventually your health will suffer. Diba? The kidneys will suffer, or you won't lose weight that much, or maybe you'll be undernourished. So if you know people who are interested to enter the Cohen program, like me, a lot of people approached me already, friends, family, who want me to prepare their food for Cohen. Once I find out that they're not enrolled in the Cohen program, I don't accommodate them. Kasi it's also my conscience, di ba? Kasi, yeah, you're gonna lose weight, but if their health suffers, there's no point, right? So, yun.